Guys, what is going on? Literally, I've had a few name suggestions, but I have definitely not received enough. MTD Network needs a name for this show. We cannot continue this show without a new name. So I need you guys to really think on your feet the most creative, craziest name that you can possibly think of. Submit it to me and you could be in a chance to win a fantastic goodie bag prize. So apart from that, I hope you've had an awesome New Year's. I don't know about you, but I am absolutely ridiculously super tired. I'm going to show you some real life footage of me in a machine shop.
Matthew, wszystko okay?
I know, relatable, right? Let's kick it off with this year with Gina Asks. And this week I'm asking, what is a twin pallet machine? Paul breaks this down in just 1 minute.
This here is a twin pallet machine. What is a twin pallet machining centre? Well, this is a vertical twin pallet, and basically it means that you have two pallets, and the second pallet, which is here, this is where you load parts in the vise. For example, this is where your fixtures go and your work holding is, and where you can load while the machine is machining. Because twin pallet means the first pallet, which is in here of this vertical machining centre, is where the machining process happens. Your spindle will come into this working area, it will machine the components, and when they are complete, the program within the machining centre will then rotate this pallet, and that is essentially a vertical twin pallet machining centre.
Cheers, Paul. So a twin pallet is essentially a twin rotary pallet configuration enabling manufacturers to achieve virtually continuous production. Whilst components are being machined on one pallet, the next job can be set up on the remaining pallets. So thanks for the clarity, Paul. Easy peasy. Okay guys, so now that I'm feeling a little bit more awake, let's go over to Colin's Blast from the Past. This week, we get a lesson from Lenny at Plalite Engineering. The machine shop has a number of state-of-the-art machines and some absolute classics, but this classic still has its uses. I'm talking about the machine, not Colin.
Dropped in to Plalite, Sittingbourne in Kent. We have found a cracker of a blast from the past, but this time I'm going to get a bit of help. This is Lenny, is that right?
Yeah, Lenny.
And this is a hard-inch super precision. Well, I'm going to say 3-axis lathe, but you might correct me on that. Let's start at one end though. What's happening here?
You got your collet open and close as a tube inside, which pull back and close down the collet to grip over your part.
Nice and simple. Now talk me through the 2-axis or 3-axis.
You have your first bigger Z-axis with another little Z-axis back here to give a little bit more.
Yeah.
You have your little X-axis here, so they work independently.
And then the 3rd axis, we're not going to have a row about it, but you can a manual one?
It's a manual one. You set it by eye. There's no actual manual number increments, but you do have to set it when machining.
No problem. Now, different speeds as well?
Yeah, you have your slow and fast speed rate. They're depicted here as this little dial goes up and down.
And what's this going on down here?
This is for your thread cutting, so you have loads of increments of different TPIs and TPMMs. You go across to set it at whichever one, in metric and English, and obviously your 3 different gears.
Nice and simple, Lenny, time-served engineer, unlike my good self. This is a fantastic blast from the past for the hard-inch super precision 2-axis, 3-axis lathe. We're going to go 3-axis, and it dates back to 1960s.
Now, I know that you're probably on this whole new year, new me kind of thing, but you've got to get a load of this. Now that is the kind of lasering that I can get behind. And I know that I keep banging on about the new year, but I found this video on YouTube by Machining World, and I thought, Jesus, this is actually a true representation of how my New Year's went. Take a look at this steam plant wet charge. So yep, the new year certainly went out with a bang. On the subjects of absolute fails, check out this balance crane lifting a bridge segment being put into place. Competition time. This week I'm asking you for your awesome machining videos. This competition will be running on all of our socials, and as a bit of an inspiration, here's a hydraulic press crushing food and stuff, because, well, why not? Why not?
That was quite strange. And now we must crush it.
So anyways, stay social, follow us on all of our stuff, and get learned up on all the machining videos.